All right, you guys, you can tell I'm not here. I had a family emergency. My husband is in the hospital. He has an infection in his bloodstream, which means the infection can pretty much go anywhere in his body. So he is on IV medicines, antibiotics. So right now it is 10:45 at night, and I am going to remind you of information for the Bohr model, because tonight I checked your sheets you did yesterday, and some people are still struggling. Okay. So I want to go over things. So remember that let me get it right there. The atomic number equals protons equals electrons. Those three are always the same number. So if you have one of those, you have them all. Okay. The atomic mass minus the number of protons equals the number of neutrons. You just got to do some simple subtraction there. Okay. Now, here's where I started noticing some problems. Okay. Is that people were drawing electrons on areas that they should not. So in the sheet you're going to do today, the nucleus is going to be the square box. You are not going to put any electrons in the square box. All you're going to put is the number of protons. Look at that. It's written up here, because remember we just said the number of protons, the atomic number equals protons equals electrons equal all the same number. So I just get to copy. You guys like copying? To get the neutrons, I've got to take the atomic mass minus the number of protons. And that gives us our neutrons. You can actually take it minus the number of protons or atomic number or electrons. Okay. So no dots in here. We're just going to fill this in. Okay. Then at the bottom, you're going to write how many electrons you're going to do. Okay. Remember, there are levels. The circle's out from the center. We always start with the inside circle and move outwards. No electrons on the square box / nucleus. NuCleus. Okay. Remember, each circle out only holds so many electrons. And we are going to use electrons represent dots. So the dots represent the electrons. Okay. However many electrons equals the number of dots you make. 10 electrons equals 10 dots. 36 electrons equals 36 dots. But remember, we get tricky here. And each circle, starting from the inside going out, only holds so many electrons. So the first circle from the nucleus holds 2 electrons only. You just heard my dog barking. I think there are some coyotes outside of my house right now, so you might hear some more barking. The second, told you guys, second circle from the nucleus holds 8 electrons only. The third circle from the nucleus, I can spell nucleus, right? Holds 18 electrons only. The fourth circle out holds 32 electrons only. Electrons only. Okay. So when you make a diagram, if we use this example up here of 10 electrons, you're going to put 2 in the first circle out and then 8 in the second circle out, because that equals 10. If you have 36 electrons, you're going to do 2 in the first circle, 8 in the second circle, that's 10. Okay. And then we have 18 in the next circle. That's only 28, because 10 plus 18 is 28. So we've still got to do 36. So we have 6 more dots we have to do. So our fourth level can hold up to 32, but we only need to put 6 in there, because that could totally equal 36 electrons. So what I want you guys to do now is you're going to get your sheet, and the sub will leave this part of the video up so you know what you're supposed to do, and the rules are up here. Okay. And then you guys need to do the sheet. Please be on your best behavior today. You guys, the last thing I want to have to deal with when I come back is kids being bad while I was sitting in the hospital with my husband. Okay. I want to be able to focus on him right now to make sure he's okay. So make good choices. Be good today. All right, you guys. All right. I'm out.